Welcome sa Filipino sa Africa. Hello guys and welcome to our new vlog and tatawagin nating a day in my life here in Mozambique. So ang sinusuot ko ay tinatawag nilang bata. So it's just like a status of your profession here in Mozambique. So normally sinusuot yan ng mga teachers, doctors, nurses, and so on, depending on your specific profession, and that's normally required by their ministry. So ayan na nga guys, ngayong araw ang start ng aming examination week. So it's just proper na i-prepare ko ng aking test papers na gagamitin mamaya sa aming exam. So after kong mag-prepare dyan guys, bumaba ako para i-receive ang mga bata sa gate kasama ang aking class assistants. Then we had our flag ceremony. Good morning!
Good morning, Teacher Dexter.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, and you?
I'm also great. Sit down. Since you're having your test, you need to make sure that you are reading your test papers properly. And if you have questions, don't forget to ask me, not your classmates. So yan guys, they are having their snacks right now after 3 periods of classes. Then
Yan
after
sila.
that, may another 3 periods of classes ako sa baba. Tia. Tia, fazer o quê? Fazer o quê? Yan guys, ang nakikita nyo ngayon ay ang lunch time ng mga bata. And yes, kasama dito sa binabayaran ng parents ang lunch ng kanilang anak sa buong buwan. After natin magpakain, so yan guys, palabas na tayo sa ating classroom at punta tayo sa kabilang sites na kung saan nag-work ang ating mga friendship. So doon tayo makikikain guys. So dito yung kabilang site namin. So yan. So dito tayo kina Ate Miles. Hello! 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 Yan, mga bis. Tia Bonita.
Do you have vinegar?
Mga busy.
Visit ang dumi na pala ng Teacher Melin, do you have vinegar?
No, teacher.
I know my need.
We got bagong, you like?
That brown tissue sauce.
Tara na, kain
Yes.
na tayo.
Kain na tayo. Oh, yung
Kain na
nagtatagalog
tayo.
si Tia.
Tara na, tara na.
Kita.
Wow.
Yes.
Dandaman ko ay dyan.
Kain na tayo. Tara na.
Oh, tara na daw.
Tara na, kain na tayo.
Wow! Magaling talaga siya. Guys, click that like button kung magaling si Tia Cassie magtagalog.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Ang gwapo mo, Dexter.
Ang gwapo mo, Dexter.
Wow! Etchusera ka, Tia. Where's our rice?
Yeah.
Yan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wala, baka mamaya biglang magbukas at matapon. Yes. Yes. Silang mga friends natin dito sa Mozambique guys, na kung saan sila ay Filipino at may pusong Filipino din yung isa nating kasama. So after natin kumain, back to work ang ating mga friends as they are preparing for a program. So yan guys, 2 p.m. na, so oras na para bumalik tayo sa ating school at ituloy ang ating klase hanggang 3:30 ng hapon. Ano yan? Kape?
Kape para magising.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Teacher Dexter.
How are you all today?
We are fine, thank you, and you?
I'm also great. Sit down. Now, we're going to do spelling, okay? Because next month you will be having spelling bee. So we're going to practice today, okay? If I said spell the word scared, you say scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Okay, let's start. Scared.
Scared. S-E-A-R-E-D.
Thumb.
Sun. P-H-U-M.
Purple.
Purple. P-U-R-B-L-E.
Chair.
Chair. C-H-A-I-R.
Clothes.
Clothes. C-L-O-S-E.
Salad.
Salad. S-A-L-A-D.
Behind.
Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D.
Grapes.
Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S.
Angry.
Angry. A-N-G-R-Y.
Under.
Under. U-N-D-E-R.
White.
White. W-H-I-T-E.
Brown.
Brown. B-R-O-W-N.
Train.
Train. T-R-A-I-N.
Scooter.
Scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R.
Board.
Board. B-O-A-R-D.
Dance.
Dance. D-A-N-C-E.
Bread.
Bread. B-R-E-A-D.
Brush.
Brush. B-R-U-S-H.
Music.
Music. M-U-S-I-C.
Brave.
Brave. B-R-A-V-E.
Orange.
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E.
Poster.
Poster. P-O-S-T-E-R.
Tired.
Tired. T-I-R-E-D.
Sister.
Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R.
Gloves.
Gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S.
Okay, so that's our lesson for today. Okay?
Yes.
I'll see you again tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Until our next one. Goodbye, class!
Goodbye.
So ayan na guys, at least may idea na kayo kung ano ang aking life update dito sa Maputo kasama ang aking mga friends. So ayan guys, hanggang sa oras ng aking pag-uwi, ang ating mga friends ay continuously na gumagawa ng mga decorations na gagamitin nila sa program na kung saan sila ay na-assign. So yan na nga ang ating vlog for today. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Until our next one, bye!